Good morning, good morning. Let's start our live trading today. And we are selling off. Selling off like crazy. I'm still marking my levels on trade weight. But looks like I have time. Well, in general, what I see that if we flip this candle, this would be huge for longs. Because if not the 5 minute, we should have the 1 minute. Yes, this one. Let's see, if the 5 minute doesn't form, we can always use this one, the 1 minute. On NQ, and let's see what yes is doing. Yes, have the same gap. 1 minute. So yeah, let's see how we hold or reverse the selling. Because we would have to sell off so much more. Yeah, in order to get to Asia low. Now we currently sitting. I'm still counting this as sitting at London low. The 60 points below the low. It's an okay. It's still a good sweep. Yes is not holding as well. Well, let's see. We will need 5.5 minutes for this 5 minute setup to form. But once again, as I said before, we can take the 1 minute on NQ yes. On NQ. Watching yes. And yeah, for the 1 minute we already have the setup. We just need to reverse this one. And the price target would be, that would be 43 points. Which is not much. Sorry, I'm still waking up. And yeah, but it's more than 1-to-1, and 1-to-1 is more than enough for everyone, pretty much. I'm not aiming at those big fancy trades, fancy looking trades, because they happen really rarely. Yeah, so we have the 1 minute setup, which is okay. The 5 minute will be with us in 4.5 minutes, so maybe we hold this one. We had some selling, we had a good sweep, and we're trying to recover. Let's see. I would prefer the 5 minute to form, of course, but just in case, I have the 1 minute to to rely on. Let me post the commentary that I'm looking at. The 1-to-1 would be here. 35 points. What are we doing? We are still below the low. Well, yes is more bullish, which is good for us. I hope it will not be like yesterday, when yes was too much bullish, and it stopped us out because yes took the high. Yeah, but a couple of days ago, I think Monday this week, we had the exact same setup, and I stayed out when yes was taking the high and NQ was behind, and I was about to long NQ, and I stayed out just because yes was taking the high when NQ was at the point of inverse, so at the point of entry, and it played out. And yesterday it didn't. The same exact setup. Fucking hell. Yeah, yesterday I took it and it stopped me out the first trade. Where can you see it? It's on the live recording. You can go to my YouTube or to Whoop. Yes. Yeah, this one. Yeah, the first trade stopped me out. Quite unfortunate, because we saw like super mega buy-in on ES and NQ, but ES was too much ahead and it took the high right when NQ was inversing its gap for the entry. I took it because I was keeping in mind that one setup from Monday or Tuesday this week when I stayed out, but it played out. but yesterday it didn't. Okay, we are selling off. I can't take any shorts here because we will need to retrace into this 5 minute gap. We retraced. No, we didn't even retrace on 1 minute. Yeah, no retracement. Yes, probably did. Yes, did. But 1 minute is the entry time frame for me, not the setup for me time frame. Well, let's wait. Let's wait till the low gets taken. It's how many points away? 67 points away. So quite quite near. Yes, on the other hand, yes is behind. NQ is somewhere here in the middle. Yes is a bit behind. Not critical, but a bit. Yes, looks like it still can reverse. But if it does, it would be at this high when NQ will be somewhere here, below the entry point. So the same problem would appear. I don't want... no, not like this. I don't know what I want for us to sell off, but after this sell off, like how many points? 269 points. There is a chance that we'll be exhausted for some time, like for the big moves. And the idea of longing straight away after this big dump is not entertaining me at this point, because the reversal strategy is what is, for example, we open here, we manipulate into some liquidity, and then we make the move, right? Or the short idea, we manipulate to the next high, and then we make the main move. And if we make the main move straight away, then what are the chances we reverse from it and get at least our 1-to-1 35 points? So yeah, that's why I always want to take the nearest liquidity and then reverse, not after the big move, because the move as big as this can be the move for the day, or we can be exhausted, so we chop at the low and stop us out from potential longs, like several times in a row, and then making the next move. So I would definitely prefer us to take something before it. Oh, what is my London low doing? Yeah, but we have what we have. Well, okay, we took the low, but at what cost? uh, yeah, no retracements. Like only one was on yes on 1 minute, which I'm not counting as a retracement. Well, We have nothing to work with here. It was a straight pump. How many points was that? 900 points. Okay. Yeah, I can pin this idea. Yeah, okay. Now for us to get long, so we'll need to invest this one. So the entry would be here. But it would be a bad entry because we hidden right into the next gap. And if we inverse this one, we have how many points till the next gap? Ah, it's okay. 50 points is okay. It's more than 1-to-1 price target. Yeah, but we are cooked. Well, I don't know why I'm still here. I mean, no, we can't take anything. We can take shorts after retracements because there are no retracements that's first. But if we retrace, like, what are the chances we retrace and go back to setting? Because here is the liquidity, here is the fair value gaps, like the big ones, very big ones, and a lot of them on smaller time frames, like 5 minutes, and we're taking them one by one, and the fair value gaps are the points to reverse from, like, besides the levels of liquidity. And yeah, what are the chances we pull back here, not reversing? You know what I mean? And if we reversing, where do we enter longs? Like here? All the way up? Yes, this is the spot where I cannot take anything, any shorts or any longs. So I don't know. Do you guys have any questions? Because there is no point of watching it right now. Let it do its thing, and it will probably, oh my god, 500 points, which is actually insane. I can't find any news. There is no news on Forex Factory. There is, what's Walter Bloomberg saying? I don't know. Forecast, Apple shares down. No, pretty much everything is down, as he writes in X. Yeah, but why everything is down? So okay, yeah, everything is down is like, it's okay, it's expected. If shits go up, shit has to go down, right? So it's okay, it's the market. But why so hard? Why 500 points from the entry? 600 points already. Yeah. So I don't know. I'm gonna go chill with this alert set. I don't know. just to set something. Yeah, but after we take this low, like looking for longs after 1,000 points. Yeah, I know we need only 35, but what are the chances we get stopped out like 10 times before this happens? Yeah, we're just in the one big fair value gap, which is about to end somewhere here. Yeah. But I'm not taking the shorts. I'm not taking the invert for shorts. Yeah, so I'm gonna make a screenshot of the charts and just send it in the chat so you guys know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for tomorrow, basically, at this point. So yeah, let me take a screenshot and yeah. So well, looks like a cash day for me so far, but maybe PM shows us something. But maybe PM session will show us some oh my god, show us some setups to take. Well, that's it. Quick day. Yeah, not as quick as yesterday. Yesterday we were done 2 minutes ago, but we were done big green. Now, yeah, now I just can't take anything. I don't even have the idea of potential trade today, because if we go lower and take the low, yeah, once again looking for a trade after 950 or how many was that points. I don't want to. Yeah, I don't mind staying cash for one day this week. Yeah, and this pullback is how many points? 113 points pullback, which is crazy. No, yes, it's about to hit the low, by the way. But yeah, once again, I'm not taking any longs, at least before NQ takes its low. Yeah, let's leave it like this. I will leave it like this. And yeah, maybe like 10% of chances we get something today, but I'm already prepared for tomorrow. Because I don't want to chase shorts or force longs yet. Well, thank you for your time. Thanks for being here. And yeah, sadly we see this of open. Yeah, I know it's like 20 minutes since market opened, but once again, there is nothing to take in the perspective of couple of hours, at least for my strategy. Yeah, once again, thanks you guys for being here, and let's keep it in the chat. Thank you, bye.